Well, I better do the update on the Apple trade because I've been talking about it for a while. Those who've been following me on the Telegram channel, I posted this from last week. I said we'd had a couple of trades. Remember, green arrow means buy signal, red short. Well, we'd had this, and I explained the pop that we'd had in Apple, and then we had the upward move, which has then continued. This is something which I discussed on the webinar last night. In case you haven't found this Telegram channel or the webinar, just have a look at pipspredator.com and you'll find it all on there anyway. So following on from all of those who were on the webinar, boom, 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 boom. So where we are, and that's still a buy. Thank you to all my webinar attendees. A reminder to everybody else, remember, this tells us buy based on momentum of the markets, which is partially based on several things. One is pattern recognition, just using pattern recognition over a 20 period bars, plus multiple indicators across multiple time frames, suggesting that there's an increased probability that the market may well move in one direction or the other. The stop losses are based on volatility of the markets. The more volatile the market, the further away the stop loss. The further away the stop loss, the smaller the position size, so we don't risk more money just because the markets are more volatile. Again, if you want to know more details, pipspredator.com for that. And this green buy is written up here, but also equally importantly, the red dotted line doesn't mean that's where we take profit. It means where we're adding to our positions, and that has its own stop loss, which would be over there. Sorry, it's all a bit of a mess, but if you look on pipspredator.com, there's a lot more information. I just wanted to give the update to everybody who has been asking me, because, the Apple trade, what's my view? Well, we're still long on it. I can see why some might want to take profits. You might want to do lots of different things. This is just indicative of what we are looking at. You don't need to follow anything we're doing blindly, but it's like wheels on a bike. When you're learning to ride a bike, it should help stabilize you, help give you ideas, inspiration, and more importantly, good practice of how we handle stop losses, how we handle increasing our profits and getting the most out of a trade, how we find our winning trades, and so on. I'll do some more videos later today.